Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you how to remove overscroll animation on default Android Recycler view. So in this quick video, what I already prepared is some activity with transaction list. So this is a list of some transactions shown in Recycler view. What I did here was I created a list and in for loop I added some dummy data for transaction, random user, random ID, some random ID and some random double value, as you can see here in this example. So this is the animation that we are talking about. When you are at the end of the Recycler view and there is nothing more, then you can see this, and also at the top. So I had some scenario in one of my projects where I had corner radius here because this layout is a lot like list in iOS, and this animation just revealed that here is a corner radius, so it didn't look good, and because of that I needed to remove this. And the way to remove this is really simple and it's really awesome. So what you need to do is just on your Recycler view, so you need to retrieve a Recycler view from your layout you can do it with find view by ID or on the view binding or Kotlin synthetics. It's not really important in this video. So on Recycler view list you have over scroll mode. As you can see, this is this attribute and it is get and set, so you can set it like this. And what you need to do is just use view over scroll never. This is all you need to do, and we will now just try to run this one more time to see if this actually works. As you can see now, there is not that animation anymore. So that's it for this simple video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more useful content for Android and iOS development, and see you in the next video.